Hello everyone, so if you want to use building compass on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, first of all, locate your compass application, looks like this. So tap on it, open it up. Now you will be prompted to calibrate the compass. This is important for accurate readings. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Move your phone in the 8-finger motion, right? Shake it to calibrate, move it. Alright, after your calibration, your arrow will be pointing north, and simply hold the phone in front of you, and now you know where you are heading. Try exploring your settings right here, so you can see your level, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.